Guys, welcome back. We had to change out this seatbelt assembly. The spring busted out of here. I went ahead and got this part at the dealership. I don't like to play around with parts like this, so we're going to walk you through step by step how to change this out. I also want to say this is a Toyota Tundra. Mine is a 2013, but if you're looking at this handbook, this should go for a 2007, a 2019 Tundra, and a 2008 to 2019 Sequoia. Okay, so it should be the same part, and I can double check it in a second. Let's double check in the Sequoia and see if it's the same look. And it does look like it's the same setup, one bolt, same piece in the Sequoia, in case you have a Sequoia. Okay guys, you can see that this spring just busted on my actual seatbelt assembly. So here we are at Cavender. I bought the part. It was $71.47. Here is the part number if you need that. This is for the front driver's side. So we're going to head on out, get on back, and install this thing. So you're going to take a 14 millimeter wrench. So we will go in here with our 14 and we will loosen it. Thing is on there. As far as it can go with the ratchet, I'll just go in here, take it off. There it is, one nut. Then you'll have to take this off, but it's still connected. It's got two electrical connections underneath, so we'll get them taken off. So on the front of the seat, you'll go down and you'll see it. It's right, this one right here, this top one. And it's got a little piece right here. You might have to use a screwdriver, but you can kind of flick it and it comes off. See how it came off? So I'm just taking it right here, holding it, push down. With this little piece right here, if you push down on it, it'll release off of here. So let's do that again. It's clicked in, push down on this little white piece right here, and then pull. All right, just like that. Okay, just got to go underneath and cut those little pieces that are holding it to the frame. So there's a couple like these little clamp snaps or whatever underneath, and they're gonna look something like that. So you either need to unclip them. There's one over there like this where you just push these sides in, and you can just take like some needle nose pliers. But they are, these are clamped to underneath the seat, so you have to get those off before you can rip it out. But once you go install it, you're just going to, you know, put it in just like this, reinstall your bolt, reinstall your nut on there. And this is the one that's kind of on the side. So you'll install this one, and this one has actually a little clip, push down and pull. So this will be like on the side, and this will be on the front that I already showed you. Little tip to make things easier, slide this front seat up as far as you can, especially if you have trouble getting up underneath there. Just slide the seat forward. You should be able to get up underneath here better. Here's one. I'm just gonna rip it out of its little thing. This one's two. Pull this out. So we actually have everything out except the one that's connected. And you'll see it in a minute. Okay, so I'll lean the seat back a little bit. We have one more connection. It's right here. You'll see it right there. You just push down on that top and pull it. I'm gonna reach my hand down in here. This little middle piece I have to push down on. Push down on it and pull. That should come off like that. We'll go ahead and pull everything out now. Got everything. So here's the old one. And on this one that's tucked on the side, I just pushed down. I pushed down right here and pulled it, and it came out. So when we put this back on, you want it to look something like that when you put it in. We'll go ahead and anchor it in, put this in, and then we'll attach this first electronic quick connect. So we'll go ahead and install it. Okay guys, so we tucked it down in there. We put on our new bolt. We haven't tightened our bolt all the way down yet. I'm going to install this first connection. All right, so I'm gonna get it in position and we'll plug it in. So I want to pull the slack out of this just a little bit. Needs to go on here. Put it on, click it. And the first one's good. Now the other one, we just need to route it underneath and install it. Now these clips, it's really optional if you want to put all these on in tight spots. But I just looped this thing around a few times. And I know it needs to go up here to get plugged in. But you also want to make sure, that you tuck it in over here. That way this can glide back and forth when you move your seat back and forth. So now we're gonna go to the front and connect it. I'm just gonna move the seat back so I have room to get in here. So we're at the front of the seat. Let me just set this down so you can see what we're doing here. And I have this under here. Again, you can go back and reattach everything if you want it completely secure underneath. But click it. And this one actually goes on this little hook. So it has this spot right here. I'll show it to you. Okay, right under here, there's this little metal clip right here. Okay, this thing fits on here just like this. Just like that. All right, and you should be good to go, okay? Put that in the description too where I got it. That's what I used to record this. And I'm just going to give it a little test and make sure we're not snagging on anything. That's it, we're good to go. Give that a good tighten just to make sure it's on there. Let's try it out. Now, of course, you got to try it out so you get that full satisfaction. Now we're rocking and rolling. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.